Hi, Sandy. Oh, it's okay. Come here. Come here. Let's go outside. Oh, what is this? Look at this. It's all snow. Oh, this is deep snow, and it's still snowing. This is just in the first night, and we're supposed to get more snow tonight and all day today. Look at Sandy. She's going through there. Sandy, are you having trouble with the snow? We're like, ooh, it's cold. Let it snow, let it snow. Oh, Sandy, do you want back in? You can't go back in yet. No, because I'm out here and yeah. It's all foggy and snowy and I don't even know what's there. I don't think anything's there. Well, some things obviously are there, but still. Oh, wind chimes. I'll have to go out front too. It's snow! Yay! Having a blizzard! Blizzard, blizzard, blizzard. I'm entirely too hyper for this early in the morning. It's like 5 o'clock. Yeah. Actually, no. It's like 6 or something now. Probably. Headed towards there. This is a box under here, and that's our fire pit. Doesn't it look amazing? I think I'm likely to get buried in it. Oh, Sandy. Oh, little Sandy. You don't like this, do you? Okay. Oh, that's cold. Down my shirt. Uh-huh. To take off my shoes.
Did you get snow on you, Bob? It's a little wet. Because it went there early.
Do not want that in the house.
Did you see your cousin?
No. Which one is that?
It's Dixie.
Oh,
First time she's ever fallen asleep was my second her game.
that's cute.
Yeah, it is.
She's so cute. Oh yeah, that's right. Going out front. Oh. What are you doing? You think you're going outside? Trust me, you don't want out there, kitty. What are you doing, Zoe? What are you doing? Meow. Really? Meow. Here. Zoe, what is this? Sniff it. Sniff it. Hey, you. Sniff this. Okay. Well, you can sit there and stop. So cute, but it's like... Stop it. Okay. Yeah, you're not coming out front with me. Wind chimes. Ugh. I hate this door. I'm looking at my torso. I'm deep in snow. It's just all bright and white and snowy. The world is not even yet awake. Look at how deep in it goes. Up to the tire, the middle of it. Oh, we got a truck full of snow. Oh, snowy. It's a completely different world than yesterday, which was all sunny and stuff. Where's the curb? There's the curb. Ha. No, man. My beautiful mailbox. Get it blowing off. Do. Look at how slow the cars have to drive. It's getting there. Yay! A little birdhouse. I like how there's just a random light too. Anyways. I love the wind chimes. I don't know why, I just do. And we're still gonna get more. It's perfect snow. I don't think anybody's going anywhere tomorrow. Maybe today, but not tomorrow. I just love it. It's all snowy. But yeah, it's snowy. Not my wind chimes. Anyways. Yep, it's morning and snowing and I love it. Yeah. Okay, anyways. Bye.